You know, there's sometimes I just sit around and wonder about what is and what would never be. But you know, I'd much rather find myself lost out on the sweet nights of mystery. Yeah, there's some people that they grow up crazy, and there's some people that never bother to grow up at all, y'all. I don't worry about any of that shit anymore. I just listen for my sweet baby to call, and she goes, here I come, I'm gonna talk all the time about love, love. Got me a light and it shines just like a diamond. I'd never get me enough. Oh, woo, woo. Here it comes up again now. Watch it on you and me. Don't I love to be caught out on your sweet nights of mystery. All I need is one fine moment of intuition and clarity. Just one fine moment, baby. That's all I'll ever need in this life for me, yes.